Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here with a mysterious package. Well, not so much of a mystery to me, but to all you guys it is, and I want to start this by saying huge shout out to Xiaomi. Thank you for sending me this mystery package. Let's go ahead and unbox this and see what is inside. Okay, so I'm gonna tear it open from the other side here. See what we got. And let's go to the other side here. I'm never very good at tearing these things open, by the way. I really should get a knife. Okay, and let's pull out the contents of this mystery package. What could it be? Hello, what's this? Now, I really do think I need some scissors, Frankie Tech. So hold on one second. I'm gonna go get some scissors and I'll be right back. All right, here we go. We got the scissors. Let's cut this open. See what this is. What have you sent me here? Let's open up the edge. Ooh, media. I love Xiaomi's home products. And let's have a look at what this is. Look at that, guys. And introducing to you here on Frankie Tech, the Mi Smart Sensor Set. That is pretty awesome. And this is basically Xiaomi's solution to like smart home sensors and products. It's a all-in-one solution here. I'm very excited to check this out. So what is the contents of this smart sensor set? We have the Mi Control Hub, the Mi Window and Door sensors, and then we have the Mi Wireless Switch and the Mi Motion Sensor. Now, I've used a number of Xiaomi's home products. My favorite one of their products has definitely been the lights. The Yi light bulbs are incredible, and I'm going to be testing this product out for the next couple of days and giving my full review soon. Okay, we got the edge, and let's do it. Now, I got to say, just from initial impressions, what a very nice box this comes in. Clean white Xiaomi logo and the Mijia logo on the sides. Okay, and here we go with the opening of the box. Very nice taut material. There we go. And that is very nice. Let's lift that up. Wow, and look at that presentation. All the sensors. We have the hub, how to take these out. Let's start with the hub. Pull this out. Look at that. Very nice. I love the materials of this thing. It's a nice matte white. And the plug is right at the bottom. Now, this plug is going to be something that I will need an adapter for here. Obviously, in Hong Kong, we use a slightly different plug, but that can be resolved with just using a wall adapter. No problems. And look at the size of the sensor. It's really small. And let's see which one this is. It is the window and door sensor. There you go. You have tiny little sensors. It's incredible how they've actually been able to miniaturize this whole thing. I will have to read about how to set this up in a minute. There you go. There's another one. So let's just bring these out to the side. Whoa, did you see that? These are definitely magnetized, and I think they are designed to be that way. I'll put them to the side there for now. Here we have this is the one I'm really excited about, guys, the Mi Wireless Switch. So actually, I do have a number of Yi lights in my living room, in my bedroom, and according to the way this thing works, it should be able to just be pressed, and you should be able to activate or turn off your lights accordingly. And having this in a kind of a prime spot in the living room or in the dining room is going to be a very welcome thing. And here we have the twin Xiaomi motion sensors. You can look right here. There they are, Mi motion sensors. I just love the fact that there's a consistency to this entire design. You basically have a nice kind of white matte Mijia logo on the top, and it's kind of engraved into the plastic here. I love the design of these things. They're very minimalist, and they just kind of look like one of those things you can just put in a room. It will be seamlessly fitting into whichever type of furniture scheme you have. And let's see if there's anything else in the box. Okay, this is a SIM ejector tool. That's interesting. I'm gonna have to read about why that includes that there. But we do have what looks to be some adhesives for the actual Mi Home Smart Set, and then we have this Smart Sensor Set User Manual. Very helpful. So I'm going to be going through this setup here, connecting it to my network. Yep, that is the control hub. There are the door sensors and the motion switch as well. So let's move this aside and let's get all of these products in one shot here. And so there you go. That is the Smart Sensor Set, and the suggested price from my understanding, at least here in Hong Kong, I'm looking at a price of 549 Hong Kong dollars for this amazing kind of array of sensors here. Now, the pricing may vary on your location. We got the door and window sensors, we got the motion sensors, we have our very exciting wireless switch. I'm super excited about that one. And we have the hub for this whole thing. I look forward to setting this up, and I will be doing my full review of this smart sensor set very soon. But thanks guys for watching this mystery unboxing here on Frankie Tech. And shout out once again to Xiaomi. Thank you so much for sending this over. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell icon for future updates. More great videos coming soon. My full review of this sensor set after a couple days of use will be coming. And stay tuned also for that Redmi 7A first look and initial review coming up later as well. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching guys, and this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.